General Tso's, but we're going to make it a little bit Jamaican because that's how I do. If you're new to the channel, get used to it. So we're going to get some skinless, boneless chicken thighs, cut them up into very small pieces because the bigger they are is the bigger they'll get after the breading at the end there. So now we're going to use that lime I cut up earlier and some vinegar to clean the chicken, and I'll hit you with the marinade. For the marinade, we're going to use egg whites. We got to beat them, and then we're going to add all these seasonings, the ones that make it a little bit Jamaican, plus the normal Asian ones that you usually do for General Tso. This is a scotch bonnet pepper sauce, and this is a pimento pepper sauce. Soy sauce is light and dark. Toasted sesame seed oil. This is a seasoned salt that I made. Some spur tree jerk seasoning, not my favorite, and some Shaoxing wine. Mix it up a little bit before we add in some cornstarch for thickening and a little baking soda for that tenderizing action, along with some club soda. Give it a mixy mix, and we're going to let this sit for at least 20 minutes up to 8 hours. Okay, here's the breading after that 8-hour sit. This is basically cornstarch, seasonings, flour, and some baking powder to give that nice crispy breading. You could use potato starch instead of cornstarch too. I want to try that next time. So mix it up, and then we're going to get ready to make the wet batter. So we're going to use about 2 cups of that seasoning flour that we just made. Add some water. It's about 1 1/4 cup. Mix it up to get that batter, and then we're going to put a little bit of the batter back into that flour, and we're going to mix that up. And what that does is it creates these craggles. You're going to see these little almost like pebbles inside the flour. Yeah, what that does is that makes the chicken have these craggly bits that really suck up the General Tso sauce. So here we're going to take it from the marinade into the batter and then into the flour. Give that some mixing, and then we're going to put that in a refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Now this is where we make the General Tso sauce. Brown sugar, some cornstarch. This is chicken stock. This is some soy sauce, light and dark, and then some more Shaoxing wine. This is some distilled vinegar, and then we're going to add some rice vinegar, some ketchup for color, and then some jerk seasoning. Okay, it's fry time, and we're going to do a double fry for this chicken. The first fry is to get it cooked through, and then the second fry is for that really seriously crispy, crunchy coating that'll remain crispy for a while. If you microwave it, it's definitely going to get softer overnight, that kind of thing. But it's generally better than what you're going to get from your store-bought General Tso. All right, so this is the aromatics that we're going to use when we're making the General Tso sauce. Scallion, we got ginger, and we got some garlic. This is some beef tallow, basically, that we're cooking up the scallions in. And we're just using the white part of the scallion because the green part of the scallion is going to be for garnish when we're done. This is some chile de árbol. All right, you see this kind of thing in the General Tso, that makes it a little bit spicy. Add the General Tso sauce. I'm basically going to reduce this about 20% of what it was initially. See how it's kind of like thickened right there, viscous. And then this is the point where we're going to toss the chicken in and coat it. If you've made it this far in the video, why don't you give it a like and subscribe, please. It helps the channel. You see, I'm a pretty small channel right now. I'm trying to grow it. Hit that notification bell, and I'll check you in the next one.
Stuck at home without you, and now I'm stuck at home without
Oh my God.